எஸ் லிசன் நம்ம பார்க்க போகிறது நம்ம எக்ஸசைஸ் 3.3ல கொஷின் நம்பர் 4ல் சப்டிவிஷன் 2 பார்க்க போகிறோம். சப்டிவிஷன் 2. ஸோ பாருங்கள், வாட் இஸ் த கொஷின்? த கொஷின் இஸ் p minus 2 into p plus 1 into p minus 4. Okay. So what is the formula? X plus a into x plus b into x plus c, that is equal to, it is now x cube plus a plus b plus c into x plus ab plus bc plus ca into x. It is now x square, it is a b c. Okay, isn't it? So what is x value? X equal to p, a equal to 2, b equal to 1, c equal to 4. Therefore a equal to 2, b equal to 1, c equal to 4. We can write p minus 2 into p plus 1 into p minus 4. That is equal to, what is x value? p power q plus, we should add, what is the value? This is for minus 2, it is minus 4. Therefore minus 4 minus 2 minus 6 minus 5. Oh, minus 5 into, what is the value? p. What is the value? p. Therefore plus ab minus 2 bc minus 4, then minus and minus plus 4 to 8 into p. This is now p square. Okay, int plus, it is minus 2 into 1 into minus 4. Finally we can write p power 3 minus 5p square. We should add this one, 2p plus 2p minus and plus into minus, then minus and minus plus, therefore 4 to 8 plus 8. So answer is p power cube minus 5p square plus 2p plus 8. எப்படி காப்பி பண்ணிக்கோங்க. காப்பி பண்ணியாச்சா? நெக்ஸ்ட் பாருங்க, நெக்ஸ்ட் கொஷின். Fifth one, find the volume of cube. Find the volume of cube. The cosine is whose side is x plus 1 centimeter. Okay, what is the formula? Volume of cube. Volume of cube, that is equal to formula a cube. So what is your a value? A equal to x plus 1. Therefore volume of cube equal to x plus 1 the whole power cube. Therefore it is the formula, that is, we know that a plus b the whole cube. A cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3b square a. Understand? Therefore x plus 1 whole power cube, that is equal to x cube plus 1 cube plus 3 into x square into 1 plus 3 into b value 1 square into a means that is x. Finally we can write x power cube plus 1 power cube 1 plus 3x square, it is plus 3x. We can arrange the order, descending order. X power to the 3 plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1. Understand? Next one. Next one, question number 6. Exercise 3.3 question number 6. What is the question? Find the volume of the cuboid. Volume of the cuboid. The whose dimensions are x plus 2 into x minus 1 comma x minus 3. So what is the given value? It is L equal to x plus 2, b equal to x minus 1, h equal to x minus 3. So what they asking? LBH, volume of cuboid. Volume of cuboid. Formula LBH, that is x cube x minus x plus 2 into x minus 1 into x minus 3. Okay, already we know that formula, that is x plus a, x plus b, x plus c. Formula it's x cube plus a plus b plus c into x square plus ab plus bc plus ca into x plus abc. Okay, so what is this one? It is a value. What is a value? X, that is x cube, a plus b plus c, that is 2 minus 4 plus 2 minus 2 minus 2 x square plus AB value, AB 2 ones are 2, minus 2, minus 1 into minus 3, plus 3, 2 into 3 6, minus 6 into x plus ABC, 3 2 are 6, 6 ones are 6, plus 6. Therefore finally the answer will be x cube minus 2x square. We should add this one, minus 8 plus 3 minus 5, minus 5x plus 6. It is for the volume of cuboid. Volume of cuboid. அப்படி காப்பி பண்ணிக்கோ. Okay, next பாருங்க. Next exercise 3.4 based on the example sums. Exercise 3.4 example sums. So பாருங்க, it is factorization. Example 3.24. What is the question? Factorize. Factorize 2m power 3 2m power 3 minus 5m square plus 9m. Okay. So what is the question? Solution 2m power 3 minus 5m square plus 9m. So you can take the common factor. So what is the common factor? So 2, 5, 9. There is no common factor. The only common factor only m. So that we can taking out m. That is 2m minus 5m plus 9. Finally we can write m of, yes, it is m square, sorry, it is m square, m of 2m square minus 5m plus 9, as it is the result. Next, example 3.25. Example 3.25. Example 3.25. That is 4x squared y, 4x squared y plus 8xy plus 8xy. The solution: 4x square y plus 8xy. Understand? So what is the common value? 4xy. Yes, taking out 4xy. 4xy remaining, it is x plus 2 4xy plus 2, that's all. An example 3.27. Example 3.27, that is factorize. Factorize. What is the question? X square plus yz plus xy plus xz. Okay, just listen. You can compare to the first, this one, x square plus xy plus yz plus xz. So now it is, what is the common value? X, taking out, remaining value x plus y. From here, what is the common value? Z. Z you can taking, come out. So what is the value? X plus y. So from this it is, what is the common value? X plus y. Remaining x plus z. X plus z. அப்படி காப்பி பண்ணிக்கோ. எஸ், காப்பி பண்ணியாச்சா? நெக்ஸ்ட் பாருங்கள், எக்ஸாம்பிள் 3.28. எக்ஸாம்பிள் 3.28. So what is the question? Example 3.28. இது உனக்கு ஃபேக்டரைஸ் தான். Factorize. That is x square plus 8x plus 16. Okay, so listen. So question will be, we can write, given that x square plus 8x plus 16. So we have to, this is, we have to factorize. Okay, so listen. X the whole square, the same question we can write as x square plus, it is, we can write 2 into x into 4 plus, for 16 we can write the 4 the whole square. So understand this question, a square plus b square plus 2ab. Actually a square plus b square plus 2ab, the value will be a plus b the whole square. A plus b the whole square. Therefore, what is the answer this one? So a plus b, that is x plus 4. X plus 4 the whole square. What is the answer is x square plus 8x plus 16. For that we can write the answer x plus 4 the whole square. It is a, this is factor. The next question, example 3.29. Example 3.29. The same topic, factorize. Factorize, that is 49 x square minus 84 xy plus 36 y square. 36 y square. So this is, we can write 7x the whole square. You can taking out 2, therefore 7x into 6y. For this one, 6y the whole square. So what is this one? A square 7x, b square minus 2ab, minus 6y the whole power 2. It is a minus b the whole square. A minus b the whole square. The formula will be a minus b the whole square. A square plus b square minus 2ab. இந்த ஐடென்டிட்டி யூஸ் பண்ணி தான் அதை போட்டிருக்கேன். The answer is 7x minus 6y the whole square. Next one, example 3.30. Example 3.30. Factorize. Factorize, that is 49 x square minus 64 y square. It is one of the identity. What is identity? A square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b. Understand? Therefore, it is, we can write 7x the whole square minus 8y the whole square. Therefore, it is, we can write 7x plus 8 by 1 factor, also 7x minus 8y 1 factor. The answer is 7x plus 8y 1 factor, 7x minus 8y 1 factor. It is a one of the type. Understand? So we can write, it is identity a square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b. We can segregate this one, 7x the whole square minus 8y the whole square. Therefore a plus b into a minus b. Therefore answer is 7x plus 8y, 7x minus 8y. So it is in 3.4 we have the two method. The one method is over, type 1 over. So type 2 we can see the next class. அப்படி காப்பி பண்ணிக்கோ, அப்படி காப்பி, மேக் இட் ஃபாஸ்ட். Yes, thank you.